What's going on, peeps? Cam's Life 12. First, before we begin, I just want to thank you guys for the No Prep Kings views and subscribers I gained from those videos. I will link those both at the end of this video. But today, we're taking the Q50 and we're running errands for the Lancer. Have to get stuff to change the oil, to wash it, wax it, because it is in very bad condition right now. I've kind of neglected it. I need tires, etc, etc. Anyways, let's get this point of view video started. That's why you're here. Let's go. Let me go ahead and give you a quick cold start. Like I said, today we're taking care of the Lancer, and then the Q50's actually going to the dealership next weekend. I have a crack on the windshield here. Let's go ahead and put this in Sport Plus. Crack on the windshield. What else is going on? That tire's still going flat, and yeah. Oh, I need to fix my mirror. So for my No Prep Kings followers that subscribe to me because of the event in Ennis, I hope you guys stay subscribed, because like I said, I'm going to try to bring some awesome content to the channel. We're almost to 500 subscribers. As of today, it was at 433. I would have never thought I'll at least get to 400 at the way things been going. But shoot, we're almost to 500. I'll be so excited with 500. And then eventually, I know this will take time, but then we'll hit 1,000. But once again, thank you guys. Y'all are changing the way this channel is going. I appreciate it. I'll give you a quick pull here. Just something simple. But yeah, we're running errand to AutoZone. Get some oil filter, maybe an air filter, some fuel cleaner for the Lancer. As you guys know, the Lancer used to be my baby, but lately I have not really done anything to that car. I've actually been looking into more manual cars, as I want to get another manual. As you know, my first 2 cars were manual. If you've been with the channel long enough, I have story time about that. But once we get to the highway, I'm gonna cut out most of the talking and just get straight to it, without obviously going too crazy. As you see, I knew that was gonna happen. That's why I stopped. The guy did not yield at that sign. People rarely yield at that sign. I'll plug in my Instagram. Be sure to go follow me on Instagram at Cam's Life 12. Let's go ahead and close this sunroof. It's pretty loud. But yeah, be sure to follow me on Instagram at Cam's Life 12. Let's try to run that up. I'm thinking about getting back into the base community. I gotta get over. Starting a separate channel for that. I'm just trying to have multiple channels going, if possible. Bring in multiple. I'm just trying to have multiple channels going, really, if possible, bringing in lots of different content, but I don't want to saturate one channel with just stuff all over the place, if that makes sense. But I'm not going to do that until Cam's Life 12 touches 500 to 1,000 subscribers. Then I will focus on other channels. But right now, this channel is my main concern. Looks like a 392 is coming up on side of us, but there's no room for that around here. Oh my gosh. Boy, let me tell y'all, people are driving crazy today. Alright, anyways, I'm gonna run in AutoZone real quick, get what I need, come out, put the GoPro back on, and get y'all some drives home. Doubt I can do anything because this traffic today is a little out of there. Not saying that that's a bad thing. I mean, it's good that people are out. Alright, so I had to make a quick pit stop and get some food. Now let's see how the heck we're gonna get out of here. I don't know what's going on in this area today, but people are driving like, whew, I don't know how to explain it, guys. I'm trying to get home. Maybe after this truck we got it. But I'm super excited to get to clean up the Lancer and like do some routine maintenance on it, because it has been a while. Look at this. This truck is turning while everybody else is turning. Oh yay. I want to put the Lancer on the channel more, but I don't want to start like going all out fixing it and stuff, because it's like towards the end of its life. But I'll give y'all some runs, or I mean, I really can't do much. But what I can do is paddle shift the rest of the way home. Not sure what goes on at that market over there, but that thing is packed on Sundays. The line is like wrapped all the way around this service road, all the way up to the entrance. I'm not sure what they have that has the place packed out like that, but it must be good. right, guys, so that's just been a quick run to AutoZone. See you later. It's been real. Cam's Life 12 checking out.